If monetization is your goal on Facebook, here are the very first things that you need to learn and understand as a new content creator. These are very important. Probably you are focusing on content, but remember these three things. Number one, your payout. The Facebook payout account is the most complicated and frustrating. If you make a mistake, it can't be edited, it can't be changed. Most of people, because you owe a business, a shop, you have in mind that you are now a brand and you are now a business. And when you are setting up your account, you intend to select that you are a business instead of individual. What does business means? Business means you are registered. Once you select you are a business and you submit, they will ask you documentation, proof that indeed you run a business, you are not an individual, and you end up not having those documents. You go back to your setup and you want to change, the option will never be available. It doesn't matter how much you will cry, send emails to Facebook, they will never change it. So be careful when setting up your payout account. Make sure you select individual and make sure you select your bank correctly and you put your information. Tip number 2, always make sure that the main profile that is managing your monetization page has the full names on your ID. What happens if something goes wrong and Facebook wants you to submit your ID? That moment you submit to them an ID that does not match the admin on that page, Facebook will not accept that it's the same person. It doesn't matter that some names are on that profile, doesn't matter the address, the picture. Facebook is so complicated and it will stress you out. So to avoid the stress, even if you have multiple profile managing your page, create a new profile with your full name as it appears on your ID. Add it as a manager on that page. That profile is not to meet people. It is not to send friend requests to people. You can even lock it. No one will ever send you a friend request to it. It is only for one purpose. If anything goes wrong, you will use that profile to contacting Facebook and submitting documentation that proves that the page belongs to you. I know so many people who have lost their Facebook pages simply because they are not able to prove to Facebook that the page belongs to them. Number 3 and last but not the least, your TIN number. Your TIN number is your tax identification number. Now, how to get it, it depends to where you are. Comment your country in the comment section and I will send you the direct information on how to apply for your TIN number. I have more experience for Kenya, for Zambia, for South Africa, for US, for Canada, for Australia, and so many countries in Europe. So if you've been wondering, how can I get my tax identification number? I will help you and guide you how to get it. The good news is it is free. Even in Nigeria, it is free and you can actually get it as quick as possible. Those are very good information that you should note as a new content creator. Now, let me add one more tip for you. You need a postal code. Probably you will say, no, where I live, there is no postal code. Every country, there are postal code. And again, mention your name. I mean, the country you are living in, and I'll show you how to get a postal code. Either you are in Kenya or you are in Tanzania, in Nigeria, wherever you are, there is a way for you to get a postal code. I hope this video helps and I'll be in the comment section reading your wonderful feedback and comments. Thanks for watching and thanks for sharing the video.